Open Text Documentum System Administrator Online Training. This course is designed to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of Documentum Server platform administration, including installation, configuration, and day-to-day operations such as managing users, groups, jobs, and methods. By the end of this course, students will have developed an array of skills and knowledge necessary to successfully administer a Documentum Server platform. These skills include the ability to seamlessly install and configure Documentum Server to meet the needs of your organization, expertly perform WDK application installation and configuration to enhance user experience, skillfully create and modify users and groups to maintain efficient information access control, confidently configure role-based administration to safeguard against data breaches, configure authentication options to bolster security measures, explore a variety of Documentum Server configurations to meet the specific needs of your organization, set up and run jobs and methods to manage the Documentum Server platform's operations efficiently, manage content storage areas with ease to ensure quick and seamless document management, install, configure, and use data visualization reports to monitor and track system usage for optimization purposes, install and use index server and an index agent to improve search and retrieval efficiency, perform troubleshooting to maintain optimal system performance, skillfully manage audit trails to maintain regulatory compliance, create a repository federation to facilitate interdepartmental collaboration, configure distribution architecture to improve system performance and reliability, upgrade the system to take advantage of the latest features and capabilities, tweak the system performance to ensure maximum efficiency and productivity. The Documentum Administrator Foundational course is designed to equip students with the skills and knowledge necessary to successfully administer a Documentum Server platform with precision and expertise. To ensure you get the most out of this course, we want to let you know what you need to prepare for the labs exercise. This exercise will provide you with hands-on experience with the software and tools we'll be discussing throughout the course. Firstly, you'll need a VMware environment with 4 core virtual CPUs, 12 GB memory, and 80 GB storage. This environment will house the software that we'll be using in the labs exercise. Inside the VMware environment, you'll need to install the following software: Windows 2019 Server, MS SQL 2019 Database Server, OpenJDK 11.0.17, and Apache Tomcat 9.0.70. These are all crucial components that will allow us to work with Documentum. In addition to these components, you'll also need to download and save several Documentum components from support.opentext.com. These components include the Documentum Server Installer, Documentum Composer, Documentum Explorer, Documentum DA.war file, and Documentum WebTop.war file. Make sure to have these downloaded and ready to go before the labs exercise. It's important to note that with the latest version of Documentum Suite, the Workflow Designer has been separated from the Documentum Server Installer. Therefore, you'll also need to download the Documentum Workflow Designer .war file and Documentum Process Engine Installer. We understand that you might not be able to prepare for the labs exercise for any reason. If that's the case, don't worry. You'll still be able to learn and participate in the exercise through our demonstrations. This course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively manage a Documentum Server environment, from pre-installation tasks to troubleshooting and everything in between. We will start with the pre-installation tasks, which are critical for ensuring a smooth installation process. This includes system requirements, database configuration, and other important considerations. Moving on to the installation itself, We will cover the various components that make up the Documentum Server, including the client installation and privileged client management. We will also explore how to configure your web browser for content transfer. Managing users and groups is a critical aspect of any Documentum Server environment. We will delve into various authentication mechanisms, including login tickets and tokens, as well as mandatory access control. We will also discuss jobs and methods, which are key to automating tasks within your Documentum Server environment. Method servers and storage areas will be covered in depth, as well as data visualization reporting, audit trails, and password and content encryption. DQL and administration are critical for effectively managing and querying your Documentum Server environment. We will explore the dump and load process for moving or duplicating a repository, and delve into system troubleshooting using logging and tracing. We also will cover full-text indexing, which is essential for efficient searching and retrieval documents within your Documentum Server environment. In addition to the previously mentioned topics, this course will also cover advanced topics related to Documentum Server. These topics are critical for those who are responsible for managing large, complex Documentum Server environments. We will start by discussing repository configuration, which is key to optimizing your Documentum Server environment. We will also explore Java method server high availability, which is essential for ensuring the uptime of your Documentum Server. Distributed content overview will be covered in depth, as well as how to monitor distributed content. Federations and object replication will also be discussed, which are key to managing large and geographically distributed Documentum Server environments. SSL configuration is essential for ensuring the security of your Documentum Server environment. We will explore how to configure SSL for your Documentum Server. Performance tuning is an important aspect of any Documentum Server environment, and we will explore how to optimize the performance of your Documentum Server. High availability configuration will also be covered, which is key to ensuring the uptime of your Documentum Server. We will also discuss content server upgrade and system cloning, which are critical for maintaining and updating your Documentum Server environment. Finally, backup and restore will be covered in depth, as it is essential to have a solid backup and restore strategy in place. In short, this advanced course will provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively manage large, complex Documentum Server environments. You will leave with a comprehensive understanding of the key components of Documentum Server and how to optimize and maintain it for optimal performance.